Today we will be discussing basic rules of derivatives. For example, we have a function y equals to x to the power n. When you will be differentiating it, you can either write it as y dash or you can write it as dy by dx. And the rule says that you will be dropping the power and you will subtract 1 from the power. If you have an example, for example, we have 2x square minus 4x. When you will be differentiating it, dy by dx, you will drop the power, you will make 1 less in the power. Again, here the power of x is 1. So you will be dropping it here, 1 less in the power. 2 into 2 will make 4x minus 4. When you have a constant, we have our equation y equals to 2. When you're differentiating it, the answer will be 0. Y equals to 5x square minus 4x plus 2. When we will be differentiating it, we will drop the power, 1 less in the power, and the derivative of 2 will be 0. So that makes 10x minus 4. When we have a function where we have a square root on the variable, the rule says 1 upon 2 square root of x. This means if you take a function 5x cubed minus 2 square root of x plus 3, differentiating it will give us 5 into 3 x to the power 3 minus 1. We know that derivative of square root of x is 2 square root of x. The derivative of 3 will be 0. 5 3s are 15 x squared. Here we will be cancelling 2. We are left with 1 upon square root of x.